Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just with a bit of an intermittent problem we've got on the workshop today I'd like to share with you. This particular vehicle was brought to us with an intermittent air conditioning operation. So sometimes the air conditioning would work fine and other times it wouldn't. This particular is a 2010 Kia Sportage. It also applies to a few other makes and models we've seen over the time. We eventually got it to, we checked the actual compressor relay out first, we opened it up and had a look, had some burn contacts in there, so there's obviously been some arcing happening as the clutch was switched on and off in this particular case. Replacing the relay didn't fix the problem. In this case, there was a problem in the actual compressor clutch. So we were able to get it to misbehave and work out we had a problem in the actual clutch area. So once we pulled it apart, the air gap was fine on the clutch mechanism, but the actual, there's a thermal overload in the back of the clutch area. So the back of the clutch, as you pull it off, inside the windings, there's like a thermal cut-off or a protection. It's there that if the compressor was deadly short or whatever, that would actually just pop or fuse out. But they start to fail over time. It's not a fairly common problem a lot of with the earlier Astras as well. They have a similar sort of thing built into their coil of the air conditioning clutch. So something to keep an eye out for again, intermittent operations. Some of these cars are getting older and getting quite a few Ks on them, air gaps, etc. in the clutch mechanisms, laziness or the changing of the resistance in the coil, not making it strong enough to really pull it in far enough, or the electromagnetic force is not enough to pull the clutch in, and or intermittent connections like in this particular case on that thermal piece. So intermittent problems can be a real bane of our lives when we're looking at faults. But again, make sure you're using the repair solutions, having a look if there's anything on there that might help you out if you get a curly one or an intermittent type of problem. So use the network that you're part of. If you're not part of it, maybe jump online, tap.net.au, and join up with the many other thousands of other technicians sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.